If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, improve your immune system, and even support brain function, then you need to know about NAC, or N-acetylcysteine. This powerful antioxidant has been widely studied for its benefits, from detoxification to mental health support. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn how NAC can make a real difference in your health, the best ways to take it, and what you should combine it with for maximum benefits. Today, we're going to talk about NAC, a very potent antioxidant as well as an anti-inflammatory. We will discuss some of its best food sources, the benefits of taking it, what it can affect, and the recommended dosages to maximize its effects. Starting with food sources, NAC can be found in onions and garlic. Once ingested, NAC converts to L-cysteine, which, when combined with sulfur-containing foods, is processed by the liver to create glutathione. Glutathione is one of the most powerful antioxidants that the body can produce, playing a crucial role in detoxification pathways. NAC provides multiple benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity and helping with insulin resistance and diabetes. It plays a role in blood sugar management and has strong anti-inflammatory properties, affecting cytokines such as tumor necrosis factor, interleukins, and NF-kappa B. It also helps balance the immune system, making it useful for people with autoimmune conditions by reducing inflammation and regulating immune responses. Another significant area where NAC has an impact is brain health. It affects dopamine centers as well as excitatory glutamate pathways. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure and reward, meaning NAC can help with addiction, bipolar disorder, depression, OCD, and anxiety. Studies have shown that NAC can be beneficial for individuals with OCD and related anxiety symptoms. Additionally, NAC can help prevent or slow down neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's due to its effect on glutamate regulation. Another key benefit of NAC is its ability to thin mucus in the lungs, making it useful for conditions like pneumonia and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. In fact, NAC was originally classified as a drug in 1963 and has been used in medical settings for lung conditions. It is also a known antidote for acetaminophen, or Tylenol, overdose due to its liver protective properties. Regarding dosages, NAC is typically taken in amounts ranging from 600 to 1,800 milligrams per day, divided into smaller doses. It is best taken on an empty stomach for optimal absorption. However, if it causes nausea or digestive discomfort, it can be taken with meals. Certain nutrients can enhance NAC's effectiveness, including selenium, cordyceps, and gotu kola. When combined, these nutrients help recycle glutathione, boost antioxidant levels, and improve overall health. Since oxidative stress damages cells and tissues over time, maintaining sufficient glutathione levels is crucial for protection against inflammation and cellular breakdown. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content on health and wellness. Wishing you great health and well-being, and see you in the next video.